Good morning, student. First, I am introduce you myself, Neeru Singh, and I am your SST teacher. This class is your SST class. I hope all of you beta fit and healthy at your home during the COVID-19 situation. All of you fit and you are all are enjoying with your family. Too much movement. Yes, beta. But this time all of you miss now your school, your classes. I'm also miss now all things, beta. But in this situation, we can do nothing because you are safe at your home with your family. So your all classes are going on online mode. Yes, na beta. So beta, let's start today's classes. First, I'm introduce you your SST book. Look at here, everyone. This is your SST book, Candid Interactive Social Studies Class 4. Okay, I hope all of you purchase now this book. This is your book. Okay, then after then, all of you open your first chapter. Your first chapter is, according to your syllabus, your first chapter is Our Country, India. So beta, everyone open your book. And first I mention now the date today's. The date is 12th April 2021. Class 4th. Your subject is SST. And which chapter is going on? Chapter 1. It is the first chapter. Our country. Our country, India. So everyone open your book. Page number 6. Page number 6 to page number 8. First, all of you read now this chapter. This is reading time. So, beta, everyone open your book. Page number 6. Our country, India. And everyone read this chapter very carefully. Each and everything. And here is the map of our country. Look at here. In this map, there is a different states are showing in different colors, and this is very interesting chapter which is knowing about our country. In this chapter we will learn about our neighboring countries. It means which are neighboring countries, only the names. Okay, and what is the physical features for our country. So beta, all of you read this chapter very carefully, and in next class I will explain this chapter. So everyone open your book and read it for 2 times. Okay beta. And our country, some facts I tell you. Our country is the 7th largest country in the world. Which one is the first country, first largest country in the world? Anyone tell me? I hope when you are in a classroom, maybe some students are give the answer. Ma'am, Russia is the first largest country in the world. This thing is I'm missing you in the online. Yes, na? And you are also missing your teachers, your classmates, your friends. All things are. Yes, yeah, no, beta. Yes. Okay. Then I am tell you some little things about our country. Our country is the 7th largest country in the world. These some important points of our country, and its length is from Jammu and Kashmir in the north and to Kanyakumari in the south. Okay, it means in our country. Look at here in a map. Here is a Jammu and Kashmir. It is the important features for our country. Here is a Jammu and Kashmir, and in the bottom here is a south. It is a Kanyakumari. Okay, it means Jammu and Kashmir is the top and the Kanyakumari is the bottom. Its length, Jammu and Kashmir in the north and to Kanyakumari in the south, the length is near about 3,200 kilometer. It's a and its breadth from Gujarat. Look at here, everyone. Gujarat is here. Gujarat in west direction and to Arunachal Pradesh. It is a east direction. It is around 2,900 kilometer. Okay, its breadth is a 2,900 kilometer and its length is 3,200 kilometer. Understand? I hope this is a length and this is the breadth. I hope all things are clear now. Here is some pictures are in your book. This is the picture of Jammu and Kashmir, and and Kashmir is the heaven. Gujarat. This is the picture of Arunachal Pradesh people, and this is the picture of Kanyakumari. Okay, our country is a our country has a different kinds of people are live. They follow different cultures. They celebrate different types of festivals, but they are united. They are united. Here is the picture of Jammu and Kashmir. Look at here. It means here are some mountains. Here is the picture of Gujarat. Here the Arunachal Pradesh. Here is the Kanyakumari. And different states people are live in our country, and they live together. They celebrate their festivals and they speak different languages, but they are Indians. This is the quality of our country. Okay, all of you read this chapter very carefully, and in next class I will explain this chapter and some neighboring countries of our country. The neighboring countries, the name are first Afghanistan. Everyone note down: Afghanistan, Pakistan. Here I mention now the neighboring countries name. Neighboring countries. Neighboring countries of India. Here I mention now the names. First I mention now Afghanistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, then third one is China, fourth is Bhutan, number 5 is Nepal, then 6 is Myanmar, next is Bangladesh, next is Sri Lanka, and next is Maldives. Number 9 is Maldives. These are the neighboring countries of India, and what is the position of these countries. Look at here in your map. Look at here. Afghanistan and Pakistan. Afghanistan and Pakistan in northwest direction. Okay. China and Bhutan. Bhutan is here. China, Bhutan and Nepal. Nepal is this. In the north direction. This is the upward direction. It is the north direction. Then Myanmar and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is here. Here is the Kolkata, this yellow part. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east direction. Okay, and in the bottom, come here students, this is the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka and the Maldives in the south. These are the neighboring countries. So beta, all of you learn now the neighboring countries name with their spellings. And in next class, I will discuss this chapter in detail. Okay beta? Till then, have a nice day.